Now, the big question is, can we wash this little surgical mask? Well, hello, this is Christina and welcome back to my channel. And today I'm going to show you my little experiment about how to properly clean a surgical mask. I have got good reasons why I choose to wear surgical mask. It's the only one that I can use, unfortunately. On my next video, I'm going to show you why. But for now, I'm going to do my little experiment, and hopefully, guys, hopefully this is going to work, because if it does, then it'll be amazing. It means it save money, we save money, and it's really good for the environment as well. Well, as we all know, I'm supposed to wear them again the next day. Because then it's not only because it's dirty, it's also because of the germs that may actually live in our mask, and therefore we got to either throw them away, or like with me, I'm not going to throw this away. I'm going to try my little experiment and see if I can actually reuse this again. Okay, so shall we go and start our little experiment? Okay, stop talking, Christina. Let me just remove this mask. And yes, we are going to find out if we can indeed be able to reuse this one. And hopefully, let's go for it. Oh my god, guys, I'm so excited. This is actually the first time I've washed a face mask, so I'm actually quite nervous as well what's the outcome of the wash. I hope it's still okay. All right, shall we have a look? Gosh. Okay, as I said, I'm just doing my little experiment right here. And you never know, it might work, it might not, but let's have a look. This is the moment of truth. Here's the wash bag, guys. Let's have a look. Ooh, it looks clean. Ooh, shall we just close that one, and then let's have a look what happened to our mask. Shall we open it? Right, I'm gonna show you that I'm not cheating. Is right there. I just removed that from the washing machine. I just got that out, guys. Here we go. Open the wash bag. Let's have a look. The first one. Oh my god, guys, look, it's clean. How exciting. Wow. Amazing. Oh wow, look. It's clean. It's a little creased, but I can give it a quick iron later on. It's not a problem. Oh, oh, this is really cool, guys. Imagine, guys, imagine if everyone will do this. You know, obviously some of you guys have got your fabric face mask, but I have good reasons why I needed to use surgical mask. But imagine, guys, because I have seen a lot of this disposable surgical masks on the street everywhere. It's just basically just been thrown away. If you think about it, it's bad for the environment as well. And also, it's not only that, it's such a waste of money. They are actually quite expensive. This is actually great to invest one of these wash bag, guys. You know, when you got time and when you do your laundry like once a week, just check it in there as well. You know, I just make sure that I wash them with light colored ones. So as you can see, I have got I got my white there, but it's also a light colored blue, so it doesn't really discolor the white, because I also put like a color catcher as well. So so it's perfectly safe. Just I wouldn't recommend washing this one along with your darks, because you never know, your dark colors might color your mask. Unless you wanted a gray colored mask, it's entirely up to you, but this is just my way of doing it. Imagine how much savings you can actually make by washing your surgical mask rather than throw them in the bin. And what is it for the environment, guys? As I said, sharing is caring, guys. So please follow this video. Now I'm going to hang this one dry. It's very light, so I would assume it's going to dry pretty quickly. So maybe in like, I don't know, a couple of hours. I'll just keep an eye, and then I'll show you what I do afterwards. Okay, stay tuned, guys. You can, if you like this video, please comment below. Here we go, guys. This is a little bit creased actually, so all I have to do, just put it there, and then this one as well. So basically the focus is, do not iron the string, guys, just the middle bit, because you don't want to stretch the string. All right, so I just really focus on the middle, guys. I'm just going to show you that there's a stain of my lipstick there. Okay, it just shows that I've worn this definitely before, and I've washed this one. Okay, so it's just a little bit of a lipstick there. It's all right, so it doesn't matter. Okay, it's clean. There we go. So just leave it like that. Amazing, lovely. This is perfect actually, because I just ran out of my surgical mask, so I've got some, you know, some surgical masks ready to wear tomorrow, so I don't really need to keep buying surgical mask. There we go, perfect. On my next video, guys, I'm gonna be talking about and showing you why I choose to wear surgical mask. Okay, but I know there is you can get your own fabric face mask and all that, and of course the fabric you can wash and wear, isn't it? You can always wash it, but I have got my own reason why I have to wear my surgical mask. So I'm going to tell you guys on my next video. So I hopefully, guys, you will follow me, you like and subscribe, so that, and then hit the bell button, guys, so that you can follow me until my next video. Okay, so here it is, guys. So far, that's what I've done. So I've got 14 beautiful surgical masks, reusable, in fact, reusable surgical mask, guys. Imagine if you were going to throw this away Oh la la, no, no, not anymore, because you can use your surgical mask again. And thank you for that. So hopefully guys, you will try my little trick, guys, and let me know, comments below if you try this trick. Please let me know. I'd love to know. And I think also, I think it's very important as well that we'll share information, you know, what you've done and what works and what doesn't for you. Well, because sharing is caring, guys. Okay. So hello, these are my 14 beautiful, clean and ready to use surgical mask. So I hope you guys enjoy my video. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button down below so that you will get notification into my next video. I'd like to share this to you guys. So I care about the environment and I care about everyone. And of course, unfortunately, guys, we have got to do this. I have no idea. I don't know how long, but at the end of the day, we are protecting everyone and protecting ourselves as well, because who would like to get ill? So of course we wanted this virus to just go away. We just hope that, you know, when you wake up in the morning, it's just gone. But unfortunately that's not the case. But if we just do our best to still continue wearing our mask, guys, and nobody would get ill, and continue sanitizing, of course. I hope you enjoy my video. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I hope to see you again until my next video. Okay, thank you, and bye bye from Christina for now. Bye bye until next time.